Oh, we just finished up 2 weeks with Buenas Cosas in the homestay in San Antonio, and it was really interesting and cool experience to get to stay with the family and get to know them a little bit, and work in the gardens with them and plant some seeds. It was really fun.
Yeah, playing with the family, showing them some stuff, they were showing us some stuff.
Getting to see their way of life was really interesting. It's a little bit different.
Yeah, and experiencing how they are living in a house with all the people together in one room, and how they using the kitchen with only fire was nice and interesting.
And we got to have a chicken from alive to the plate.
Yes. And yeah, and that's it. We had fun.
Thank you.
Thank you, brothers.
Bye.